When it comes to gaming and streaming, the right HDMI cable can make all the difference. A high-quality cable ensures smooth visuals, crisp audio, and zero lag, especially when pushing 4K or 8K resolutions at high refresh rates. Whether you're deep into competitive gaming or enjoying a movie marathon, your HDMI cable needs to keep up with fast-paced action and high-bandwidth demands. In this list, we've selected the top 10 best HDMI cables that stand out for their speed, reliability, and future-ready features. From ultra-durable braided designs to cutting-edge HDMI 2.1 support, these cables are built for serious gamers and entertainment lovers. If you're looking to upgrade your home setup or gaming rig, these picks deliver unbeatable performance and crystal-clear quality. Number 1. PowerBear 3m4 K1 paquet HDMI cable. The PowerBear 4K HDMI cable offers reliable high-speed performance and durable construction for all your entertainment and gaming needs. This 10-foot cable supports 4K resolution at 60 Hz, Ultra HD, 2K, and 1080p, delivering crystal-clear picture quality and smooth video playback. Built with premium braided nylon and gold-plated connectors, it ensures long-lasting durability and corrosion resistance. The cable is CL3 rated, making it safe for in-wall installations and ideal for home theaters. It supports ARC for enhanced audio quality and is compatible with a wide range of devices including laptops, monitors, PS5, PS4, Xbox One, Fire TV, and more. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working, the PowerBear HDMI cable provides a stable and seamless connection for top-tier visual and audio performance. Number 2. Highwings HW-8K-2M-2P 10K 8K HDMI 2.1 cable. The Highwings 10K 8K HDMI 2.1 cable 2-pack delivers cutting-edge performance with ultra-high-speed transmission up to 48 Gbps. Each 6.6-foot slim HDMI cord supports resolutions up to 10K, including 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, providing stunning clarity and ultra-smooth motion for gaming, movies, and streaming. With full compatibility for HDCP 2.2 and 2.3, dynamic HDR, EARC, and DTS:X, this cable ensures immersive audio-visual experiences with the latest devices. The durable, flexible design is easy to route and install, while its certified construction guarantees consistent, lag-free performance. Ideal for Roku TV, HD TVs, PS5, Blu-ray players, and more, the Highwings HDMI 2.1 cable future-proofs your home setup with unmatched quality, reliability, and next-gen support in a convenient 2-pack for multiple device connections. Number 3. Cratree USCB005 HDMI cable. The Cratree 15-foot HDMI cable is a certified 8K ultra high-speed HDMI solution designed for top-tier performance across a wide range of devices. Supporting up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, this braided cable delivers stunning 8K at 60 Hz and smooth 4K at 120 Hz resolution, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and cinematic viewing. It also supports advanced features like EARC for superior audio quality and full compatibility with HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 standards. Built with a durable braided exterior and premium connectors, it ensures long-lasting use and a secure connection. Whether you're connecting to an HD TV, PS5, Xbox, or other high-end systems, this 15-foot cable provides reliable signal transmission and impressive image clarity, perfect for enhancing your entertainment experience with immersive visuals and sound. Number 4. GEARit GI-HDMI21-10FT HDMI cable. The GEARit 10-foot 8K HDMI 2.1 cable is engineered for ultra-high-speed performance, delivering 48 gigabits per second bandwidth to support the latest in home entertainment and gaming technology. With full 8K resolution at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, this cable ensures incredibly sharp visuals and smooth motion, perfect for streaming, gaming, and high-definition media. It's compatible with Apple TV, Roku, Netflix, PlayStation, Xbox One X, and leading TV brands like Sony, LG, and Samsung QLED 8K-Q900. Built with premium materials, it ensures stable signal transmission, reduced latency, and enhanced durability. This HDMI cable also supports advanced features like EARC, HDR, and HDCP 2.2/2.3. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or gaming rig, GEARit delivers reliable quality and future-ready performance in a convenient 10-foot length. Number 5. Snowkids TW-8K-FH-3M-2P-RD HDMI cable. The Snowkids 8K HDMI cable 2-pack, 3.3 feet 1 meter each, delivers ultra-high-speed performance with 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, ideal for advanced gaming and high-resolution streaming. Designed with HDMI 2.1 technology, these cables support 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, and even 140 Hz refresh rates for smooth, lag-free visuals. They are perfect for next-gen consoles like PS5, PS4, and high-end PCs with RTX 3090, offering features like EARC, HDR10, 444 chroma, HDCP 2.2 and 2.3, QMS, and VRR for immersive audiovisual experiences. The braided nylon design adds durability and flexibility, ensuring long-lasting use. These compact 1-meter cables are great for clean setups and minimal clutter. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or connecting UHD TVs, Snowkids provides reliable, future-proof performance in a convenient, high-quality package. Number 6. Cheges CGVB01 HDMI cable. The Cheges 25-foot HDMI cable is built for exceptional performance, delivering 4K resolution at 60 Hz with high-speed 18 Gbps transmission. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming, this HDMI 2.0 cable ensures crystal-clear visuals and smooth playback. It supports HDR for vibrant colors and deeper contrast, as well as HDCP 2.2 and 1.4 for compatibility with the latest protected content. The 28 AWG construction ensures reliable signal strength over longer distances, making it perfect for home theaters or office setups. It also supports 3D, 2160p and 1080p resolutions, ideal for UHD Samsung TVs, monitors, PS4/PS3, Xbox One, and more. This long HDMI cable delivers stable performance without signal drop. Enjoy immersive audiovisual experiences with a cable designed for clarity, durability, and convenience. Number 7. GREEN Jiss RH596389285 HDMI cable for gaming and streaming. This 10K8K HDMI cable 2.1 from GREEN Jiss is your gateway to an ultra-high-definition viewing experience. Offering multiple length options from 1.5 feet to 25 feet, it ensures a perfect fit for any setup. Built with a durable braided cord, this cable supports an incredible 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, delivering stunning 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz resolutions. It's fully compatible with HDCP 2.2 and 2.3, ensuring seamless playback of protected content. Whether you're connecting a gaming console, Blu-ray player, or home theater system, this cable guarantees a flawless signal transfer with zero lag or distortion. Its premium construction ensures longevity, and the ultra-high-speed performance makes it ideal for gamers and home cinema enthusiasts alike. Elevate your entertainment experience with GREEN Jiss's reliable HDMI solution. Number 8. KIMTABO YY-Z001220 HDMI cable for gaming and streaming. The KIMTABO 8K HDMI 2.1 cable offers an exceptional viewing and gaming experience with its 6.6-foot ultra-high-speed design. Supporting 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, this HDMI cable delivers stunning 8K resolution at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz or 140 Hz, and 2K at 240 Hz, ensuring crystal-clear visuals and fluid gameplay. Certified for HDMI 2.1, it features EARC for immersive audio along with HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 compatibility for secure content playback. Experience HDR10+ and Dolby Vision for lifelike colors and deep contrast, making your movies and games come alive. Compatible with PS5, Xbox Series X, and Apple TV 4K, this cable ensures seamless connectivity across all your devices. Its premium construction guarantees durability and stable signal transmission, making it an ideal choice for gamers and home theater enthusiasts. Number 9. LEADSTAR 4K HDMI cable for gaming and streaming. The LEADSTAR HDMI cable 4K measuring 15 feet is a high-speed HDMI 2.0 solution designed for crystal-clear visuals and smooth connectivity. With support for 4K resolution at 60 Hz, Ultra HD 2160p, HDR, ARC, and 3D, this cable guarantees an immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors and sharp details. It is HDCP 2.2 compliant, ensuring secure content playback. The durable braided design enhances its strength and longevity, making it perfect for long-term use. Whether you're connecting your Xbox, PS5, TV, laptop, or monitor, this cable provides a stable and lag-free connection. Enjoy seamless gaming, streaming, or professional presentations without any signal loss. Upgrade your setup with LEADSTAR's reliable HDMI cable for the best in performance and durability. Number 10. UGREEN 591 HDMI cable for gaming and streaming. The UGREEN 8K HDMI 2.1 cable delivers top-tier performance with its 6.6 feet certified ultra-high-speed design. Boasting 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, this HDMI cable supports stunning 8K resolution at 60 Hz, 4K at 240 Hz or 120 Hz, and even 10K for future-ready connectivity. Its premium aluminum construction ensures durability, while the EARC functionality offers immersive audio experiences with HDR10 and Dolby compatibility. This cable is HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 compliant, ensuring secure content playback across all your devices. Ideal for gaming on PS5, watching Blu-ray movies, streaming via Roku TV, or connecting your Nintendo Switch. It provides a flawless, stable signal without lag. Elevate your home theater or gaming setup with UGREEN's reliable, high-performance HDMI solution.